Hey out there, all you viewers to be named later, how we doing today? Well, as you can see by that big red box on the table, we're going to take a look at something by Kershaw. Oops, sorry, that was upside down. I'll bet you can figure out what we're going to look at. So stay tuned after we roll the intro, and I'm going to show you and tell you about that beautiful blade that came in this box. Alrighty guys, thank you so much for staying past that intro. Now, we've only got one little bit of housekeeping to get out of the way. If you like what you're about to see in this video, please go ahead and give me a big old thumbs up. It's only going to show love and support for the channel. I'm highly appreciative of that. Alright, as you saw by that opening, we're going to take a look at Kershaw's Static. Now, biggest reason I got it is because I've brought some other cleaver blades to the channel before. Normally the CRKT Rip Snort and the Gerber Flat Iron. Now, speaking of those two blades and every other one we've ever brought to the channel, take a look right up top. You're going to see a card for every single affordable everyday carry blade we've ever brought. Those two will be sitting right in there. I figured, okay, let me find a third company's cleaver style blade. It's lightweight, it's compact, fits easy in your pocket, so I went, alright, let's bring it on. Now, it's got an overall length of 6.75 inches. The blade is 2.8 with a cutting edge of 2.5. Sorry, a little pause there. When it's closed fully, it's about 3.8 inches and has a pretty minor weight of 4 ounces. Not too bad, right? As you can see, it is plain edged with a flat grind and a satiny finish. And those of you who've been watching my channel for a little bit, you know I love satin and stonewash finishes on blade. I think they're phenomenal. Now, they do call this a sheep's foot style, but it looks really more cleaverish to me, so I'm going to let you make up your own determination there. The blade steel is just your basic HCR 13 MOV. It'll take an edge, it'll keep an edge for a bit, but you're going to have to do a little bit of maintenance. No big deal, right? We do have, a stainless steel frame, and it has that gray PVD coating, which is going to help with corrosion resistance, chipping, everything else. It's a neat little coating on there. Now, you can carry this left-hand or right-hand style, however you prefer, but there's only one way, which is tip up. No biggie. As you saw, we do have a frame lock. It is a flipper open, and I will tell you, I've had some problems getting her open at times. Of course, not right there, but still. And in case you're wondering, it is made in China. This one has no lanyard hole, and I'll be honest, at first I thought there, but no. As you can see, the blade's in there. I do like a little bit of the forward jimping on here and that itty little chorl that's there. I don't trust it too much because I feel like I'm going to swoop. Sorry, the chorl's right there. I don't trust it too much because I feel like I'm going to keep sliding forward, but it does feel good in the hand. Alright, now let's do what we usually do for fun. If you're new to the channel, I only do 3 simple cut tests, okay? I don't take it out like my buddy Woodland Tactical and beat the crap out of it with rock cement trucks and everything else he can find. And Zeb, buddy, if you're watching, missed content, brother. Hope you hurry back at some point. But, heavy-duty construction paper. Okay. I already like it already. Look at that. I've had this thing about 2 weeks now and really haven't cut much with it, but look at that little curly Q. Wow. And of course, we already know, yeah, it's just going to go right through everything else. Pretty much no problem, unless I'm holding the paper wrong, and yeah. But okay. Simple paracord. Little pull test. Yep. And we'll just go for 2 for a slice test. No problem there. And of course, y'all know how we wrap it up with our buddy, Mr. Ratchet Strap. I swear, I always feel bad cutting them up. No problem. And as we usually check, I do see some stuff. Okay, camera took a dump, so there was nothing from the paper or anything else like that in the hands. I don't see anything really sitting on the blade whatsoever. Okay, now for the interesting part. I found it on Amazon, Kershaw, and Blade HQ. Now, I wrote everything up for the homework on April 9th, 2020, and it's currently out of stock on Kershaw's webpage, or I should say web store. But on Amazon, it's going to run you $34.92. On Kershaw, it's $59.99. In Blade HQ, it's $37.95. It's been reviewed once on Blade HQ, and it's gotten a 5 out of 5 rating. Kershaw, it's been reviewed 3 times for 4 3/4 out of 5 stars, and 44 times on Amazon for a 5 out of 5. Now, I want to know, and this is the fun part of the video for me, your questions, comments, love, hatred, anger, whatever down below in the comment section. Do you think she's a noise or an F-bomb? Noise or an F-bomb? I got it because I wanted a third cleaver out of the 3. It's not my top ranked, but you know, it's still not a bad everyday carry to me. Okay. Now, for you first-time viewers of the channel, I want to say thank you so much for viewing this video. Look, I know with quarantine going on, there's lots of options out there for us on YouTube, and I'm very, very flattered that you chose one of my videos. Now, for you first-timers of the channel and you long-time viewers who have yet to subscribe, well, first, I'd like to know why. Go ahead and leave a comment right down below. Be constructive, because, you know, it's my job to earn your subscription through these videos, right? Now, after you've done that, take a look right down there. You're going to see a big channel symbol popping up. Go ahead, click on that thing. It's going to bring you right to subscribe. After you've knocked that out of the way, if you so choose, please go ahead and destroy that little notification icon that looks like a bell. Why? Great question. Because it's going to notify you, my amazing viewer, every single time this channel uploads a brand new video. Now, speaking of those vidges, 2 will be popping up over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube's going to select from my catalog that they feel are going to be a great viewing experience for you. There we go, guys. My quick tabletop look at the Kershaw Static. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope everybody's safe, and I hope you're having a good day.